Hi everybody, I'm Miss Jenny and it's Preschool Storytime again. I have some friends with us today. They're going to help us open our mail. Let's see what we have. Alright, what letter is this? Did you say W? If you did, you're right. It's the letter W. And what's this? That's our lowercase w. We have uppercase W, lowercase w. And what color are they? They're red, right? W's are fun to make. You start at the top, you slide down and up and down and up. And you do exactly the same thing for the lowercase. You just make it shorter. Down, up, down, up. Shall we write one in the air? Get your writing fingers ready. Here we go. Uppercase. Down, up, down, up. Now let's try the lowercase. Remember to make it shorter. Down, up, down, up. Good job. That's the letter W. Here is the ASL sign for the letter W. It's a pretty easy one. You just put your 3 fingers up like that. And that's the sign language sign for the letter W. Do you know what sound W makes? W says "wha," "wha." Let's see what else is in the mail. What's this a picture of? It's a wagon. Wagon, "wha." Wagon starts with the W sound, doesn't it? So we'll put that up there. What other thing do we have? This kind of looks like a seal, doesn't it? But he has big tusks in front, and this is a walrus. Wha. Walrus starts with W. And I think we have one more piece of mail to open. This is our last one. Oh, this is one of my favorite summer treats. Watermelon. Do you like watermelon? Watermelon also starts with W. So we have wagon, walrus, watermelon. Shall we sing our song? What does W say? What does W say? Wha, 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 wha. Wagon, walrus, watermelon. Wagon, walrus, watermelon. Wha, 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 wha. Well, good job. Thank you for helping me open the mail. Now let's get ready for our story. I have some special things to share with you while we tell our story today. Something different that we haven't done yet. Get it all set up here. Today's story is called Tortoise and the Hare. Hare is another word for rabbit. Deep in the forest, there lived a hare. He was very, very fast, and he liked to let everyone know just how fast he was. He was always boasting about how he could run faster than anyone else in the forest. He especially liked to tell Tortoise how fast he was compared to him. I feel sorry for you having to go so slow all the time. It must be really frustrating for you. It's so much better to be able to go fast. Well, you may be fast, but I bet I could beat you in a race, said the Tortoise. What? Ha ha! The Hare laughed. You beat me? It wouldn't even be close. I would beat you by a mile at least. Why, it wouldn't even be fair for me to race you because I am so much faster than you are. Well, let's just see then, said Tortoise. How about we race to the big apple tree on the other side of the field? Okay, if you really want to, said Hare. You're going to lose, that's for sure. Well, all the animals in the forest heard about the big race, and they gathered around to watch. "Ready?" said Hedgehog. "Set," said Fox. "Go," said Owl, and Hare took off as fast as he could. Very quickly he was far, far ahead of the tortoise. Tortoise started out slow and steady, one foot in front of the other, step by step by step. When Hare was about halfway across the field, he looked behind him, and he couldn't even see Tortoise, he was so far ahead of him. So he decided that he could take a rest. He found some clover to eat, and he had a little snack. And then he sat down by a big pile of hay. Now, Hare didn't mean to fall asleep, but it was such a nice day and the perfect weather for sleeping, and pretty soon he dozed off. Now, all this time that Hare was resting and eating, Tortoise kept going, slow and steady, never stopping. Pretty soon, Tortoise was almost to the pile of hay where Hare was sleeping. Another few minutes later, and Tortoise could see the apple tree. Slowly and steadily, he kept going, not worrying about where Hare was or what he was doing, but keeping his eyes on the apple tree. Suddenly, Hare woke up when he heard a bee buzzing around his head. "Oh my," he thought, "where is Tortoise?" He looked behind him and he didn't see Tortoise anywhere. So he started walking, thinking there was no way that Tortoise could have passed him while he was resting. And then, up ahead, Hare saw Tortoise, and he was very close to the apple tree. "Oh my goodness, what? How did this happen?" wondered Hare, and he took off as fast as he could. But it was not fast enough, and Tortoise got to the apple tree before Hare did, and he won the race. So the moral of this story, or the lesson that we can learn from it, is slow and steady wins the race. And also, don't give up. Tortoise didn't give up when Hare was far, far ahead of him, did he? He kept going, slowly and steadily, without giving up, and he ended up winning. I hope you enjoyed this story. It's one of my favorites. It's an important lesson to never give up and to keep trying. I want to show you our Take and Create bags that we have this week for you. Inside the bag, we have everything that you'll need to make your own paper plate turtle craft. So you'll have that inside of the bag. There's also a practice letter W writing sheet and a cute little poem called The Turtle Song. It goes like this. I had a little turtle, his name was Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water, ooh, and he ate up all the soap. And now he's home, sick in bed, with bubbles in his throat. Isn't that silly? So there's one of these in your Take and Create bags too. I hope you have a great day. Bye.